Bro,
Yo.
Earth is flat.
No, bro, it's a sphere.
It's totally flat.
Okay, but if Earth was flat, why aren't cats pushing stuff off of it? Look.
I'm serious, Earth is flat.
Man, there are a lot of arguments about Earth being a sphere on the internet. Look here.
Nah man, I don't believe this.
This isn't getting anywhere, I already know, but I must try. Okay, I'll prove to you that Earth isn't flat, okay?
Okay, try.
Okay, great. Look, I know that this thing of the flat Earth has been going on for long, but there are a few things I still can't explain.
Like what?
So, ships disappearing hull first. Take ships in the sea when they travel away from you, it looks like they go down instead of just disappearing. Do you see it?
Yeah.
On a flat Earth, you'd be able to see the ship getting smaller and smaller, but still see all of it until it's just a tiny dot. But look at the ship coming back instead. It seems like it goes up as it goes in the opposite direction. So to recap, because the Earth is round, the ship starts to hide behind the curve of the Earth, making it look like it's sinking, and when it gets closer, the opposite happens instead.
Man, this video of this boat is kind of creepy. Where do you find this stuff?
Dude, it's on StreamTube like anything else. Anyway, another one. If a person is in Europe, for example, and another is in America, do they see the same stars in the sky? They don't.
Why?
They look at different skies, with different stars and constellations.
Really?
Yeah.
Even if you are in China or Australia?
Yeah, and that's because Earth is a sphere.
I need to see it myself though.
Okay, I'll blow your mind with this one. Let's say you have to fly from Dubai to Los Angeles. From here to here. You go this way, right? It's a straight line, it's faster. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wrong. You know what planes do instead?
What do they do?
They pass by the North Pole.
What?
Yeah, it's shorter that way. They call it the Great Circle Route. This is why flights from the USA to Asia can sometimes go over the North Pole.
This sounds stupid.
No, it's not.
Also, why do you sound like a creep? This is weird. It's making me uneasy.
I'll give you another one. Let's say you are in Europe, on top of a high building. In Paris, let's say. You are very high up. Would you be able to see the Statue of Liberty in New York?
Yes.
No, because Earth would curve away.
Did you try yourself?
No building is that tall. It's a hypothetical example.
Then I don't believe you.
Oh man. Then what about astronauts going to space looking back at Earth, clearly seeing a sphere?
You can see the full Nile River out in the distance there. This is one of my favorite views, one of my favorite passes is coming over this corner of the Middle East, Africa.
And if the moon is a sphere, why is Earth the only one being flat? Also, think of Google Maps. How is not showing the sign end of the world?
Because every day feels like end of the world already.
Yes, but no, that's not related.
It is because that's what the global conspiracy and the government is hiding from us. They are hiding the truth.
Who is?
I mean them.
Now you are being a creep. Okay, let's try with this. I know you will disagree. Gravity. Gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. This makes sense with a round Earth because no matter where you are, down is always towards the center. On a flat Earth, gravity would pull sideways as you moved away from the center, which we definitely don't experience. Watch this clip.
Although this is a flat disc, it would feel to a runner headed toward the edge like they were fighting to climb up a steeper and steeper hill.
Basically, moving in any direction towards the edge would feel like a run uphill, but we know it's not the case as we just walk around not noticing any difference.
So what about this other guy instead?
Cause the theory's all it is. It's never been proven, but they teach it to the kids.
Great song, but are you sure he has a solid argument?
But gravity doesn't exist.
So how is it that we on Earth, if we jump we come back on the ground, and if you are in space you just float?
I don't know. Also, I forgot to say, these guys in space. It's all a movie.
No, that's gravity that pulls everything down, and there's no gravity from Earth in space. Okay, can we agree on this? When you are on the toilet, your poo does plug in the water, right?
Yes.
That's because of gravity.
Oh.
Yes.
All right, but hold on. If the Earth's a sphere, wouldn't that mean like we're all just clinging to a giant ball, hurtling through space?
Yeah, dude, we are tiny ants on a giant ball. But we have Wi-Fi to watch videos about stuff we never figured out.
What videos?
12 seconds later.
What the F, right?